If you've ever thought about making money online, you should know that in December of last year, Meta purchased out a startup AI agent company called Manus for $2.5 to $3 billion. And you have access to that company literally today. I'm telling you this because I've actually wanted to build out a platform called Investor Search for investors. This is a domain that I bought almost 2 years ago with a vision that one day I'll be able to put this package together. And you know what? I've actually reached out to companies to help me code this platform, and I was quoted somewhere between $15,000 to $20,000. But this Manus company is literally like having a coder sitting right next to you, and all you gotta do is communicate to them whatever it is that you want them to build, and they do the rest. It is incredible. And the reason I'm sharing this with you is because if you're watching my channel, more than likely you're somebody who's trying to figure out how to make money online. Maybe you already have a full-time job. Maybe this is just something of interest to you, but I gotta tell you, the opportunity has become so much bigger than ever before. The fact that you could literally have a coder sitting next to you, telling them exactly what you want them to build. It is something that you have to pay for, but I gotta tell you, it is so inexpensive. I literally built my entire platform for less than $200, working on it for several days, something that would have otherwise taken 6 months and probably closer to $20,000. The game has changed significantly. It is no longer you trying to get on like a Canva to build a $7 ebook and try to sell that on social media, hoping that you could literally transition to a bigger and better product. You could literally create the bigger and better product today, and the tools are literally right there available to you. You might be thinking, Zevi, I've never done anything of the sorts. Imagine this, you open the front door of your house, a coder walks in and sits next to you. It is literally that easy. You pull up manus.com, create your profile, just like you did with a ChatGPT. The only difference is now you're not in conversation. It is an AI employee. You literally tell it what you want it to build. And in minutes, bam, you see whatever project that you had in your mind extracted out of your head, and you see it on your computer screen. It is incredible. Now imagine the possibilities. Let's say you have a skill that you want to share with the rest of the world. You could literally create the step-by-step with a login, all right? You could literally make it free up to a certain point and then say anything past this. You can join my Skool group, okay? And within my Skool group, I will show you how to take it from a 3 to a 10. You could literally just offer something free from a 1 to a 3 skill set, right? But then when the users are so attracted to your content, they're gonna want more. This is when you start monetizing. There is 1,000,001 ways to do this. In the description of this video, you could check out a link to the Profitable Creators Club. This is literally where I don't only talk about the why and the what, but I actually show you the how of how you do the thing, all right? Because there's a couple things that are involved in being able to put something like this together, which is really important. And the fact that you have a product online is just the gate to you being able to sell that to everyone. But once you start introducing it, you don't want to do this manually. You want to do this with a back-end system. The back-end system that I use is called system.io. It is really simple to use. As a matter of fact, I've used it before even knowing that I'm going to be selling digital products on it. I've used it now for almost 2 years. I've sold just under $38,000 in product. I'm really excited to get to 50,000 because at that point, I'm actually going to get a really cool plaque that validates that I've sold $50,000 online of digital product. I gotta tell you, I literally started in the exact same spot that you are today. I had an idea, I knew nothing about it. The beautiful part is if you wanted to learn how to do this, you don't have to try to figure this out on your own. One, you have access to YouTube. Literally, you can watch different videos on my channel where I explain exactly how I put this together, right? If you actually want the play-by-play, the visuals, yeah, I do all that inside the club. It's a Skool group and you can check it out, all right? In addition to it, because I myself also have access to Manus, the tools and the freebies that I'm able to offer you are significantly better. And so I really want you to check some of those out in the description of this video, because this is how this process works. It works exactly the same way for me as it would for you. You hear me talk on this video and you're like, oh, maybe Zevi has a point. Maybe there's something I need to look into. Maybe Manus could actually help me develop the thing that I've had on my mind over the past couple years. If it's literally a coder walking into my front door, sitting next to me, and I say, just build this. It's really that simple. And then, flip, I see it on my computer screen. I'm in shock. What is my next step? I get a domain name. I tie it to that. Now I have my www at whatever it is going to my idea. Oh my God, it's on the screen now. I need to start sharing that with people, okay? And the best way to do that is literally the same way you're watching this right now. You're watching a YouTube video of me speaking. Why is this on YouTube? It's because more than likely, you had this idea, you're trying to figure out how to make money online, you've typed it into the browser. It's a search engine. And the fact that you're spending this much time with me tells me that you're more serious about doing the thing. You're not somebody who's trying to sit there and just scroll through random content like Reels. So this is a different type of an engagement. That's why when somebody like you is specifically looking to do this type of a thing, then they want more information, which means that when you go check out my freebie, and I promise you it's gonna be killer, you put in your name and your email, whatever it is that you receive, it's gonna have a ton of value. But the beautiful part about it is we're no longer strangers. Now you step into my world, and in my world, you're gonna be communicated with via email, right? And this is not something that I sit there and I write every day. Hey John, hey Susie, I just saw you subscribe. It's nothing like that, all right? You literally sit down and you write out all these emails that you wanna stay in touch with your viewers, but you do it one shot, okay? For a period of whatever it is, a week, a month, 6 months, a year, all right? And you can continue to update them, and you continue to get those emails from me, and there's always links to other things that you could extract that would help you. At some point, when you get these emails, by the way, which are all hosted on system.io, again, available in the description below, you might say to yourself, you know what? I've sat on this long enough. I'm actually ready to commit. You click the link, takes you back to the initial offer, and you might actually join the group. And you know what? It would be amazing for you and another satisfied paying client of the Profitable Creator Club. Both people win, and that is the magic behind making money online. It's finding the tools. AI is not gonna take over this job, I promise you. AI is very generic. People don't care to sit there and hear a machine's explanation or stories because, again, they're generic. Your stories, your experiences, they are real. Whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you're going through, people that are a couple steps behind you, they wanna hear all about it. Because guess what? They're facing the same challenges as you did a few months ago, maybe a year ago, when you got started doing the thing. All right, guys? So I hope this gives you a little bit more information, a little bit more color about what you're trying to do. Please check out the links in the description to the Profitable Creators Club. There's some awesome freebies there as well. I hope you grab one. I hope you put your name and your email. I love to stay in touch, and you could learn more about whether something like this might be right for you. And if it is, my God, what a great time to get into trying to make money online. Not because you could pop something up on ChatGPT, not because you can create a Canva template, none of that, okay? It's because you could literally make some crazy products now in minutes, okay? Just with whatever knowledge is in your head today, and you can literally have them up and running in the next 48 hours. Your only job, to be super transparent, is gonna be to do exactly what I'm doing right now, and that is creating content so you can tell other people just like yourself who hopefully like and subscribe to this channel, I hope you did, to be able to do the same thing. Okay, guys, I appreciate you being here. You can totally do this, and I'll see you again on the next one. Take care.